Edge supports layouts. That means we can create a common markup for a web page and store it inside a file, and the template can reuse the markup specified in that file just by replacing some sections. So let's figure out how we can create layouts. Let's create a folder inside views and name it layouts. So here is the basic HTML markup, and inside the body I'm creating a section. Section is an age tag, and the parameter inside the section is the name of that section. Save this file. Let's get back to our home.h, and we can get rid of all this. And instead of just defining everything from top to bottom, like from the starting HTML to ending HTML, we will just extend and reuse our app.h layout. So the first thing is we are adding the tag called layout, and inside it we are passing the path to our layout file, and that is layouts/app. And after that we are using the section with the name we have mentioned in app.h file. Now whatever we will add here, when we will compile this home.h file, it will first grab content from here, and when this section will arrive, it will look for content in home.h file. This part will be rendered, and after this the ending body and HTML tag will be added. So this is how layouts work in Edge. Let's save it and see the output. Here is the output. When you will see the source code, you will see this part is scrapped from our layout file, and this part is also scrapped from our layout file, and inside the body this content is specially scrapped from home.h, that is wrapped inside the section tag. When we are working on a real-world project, in that case layout provides a very useful way to reuse the same markup in other pages. But here are some limitations about the section tag, and that is we can't nest a section inside another, and also parent template can contain only the section tag. Anything you write outside the section tag will not be rendered by Edge.